In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your 4,000 watch hours within 3 days to 30 days, okay? Whether you are a busy YouTuber, a full-time or a part-time YouTuber, or you are a mom taking care of kids, or you are so busy to plan your content, this particular strategy is going to help you generate ideas that will help you create viral content. And let no one deceive you, without views, your content will not get watch hours, and without watch hours, you cannot monetize. Now, to prove to you that this strategy actually works, I just started using this strategy, and look at the significant amount of growth in my watch hour. In the last 7 days, I've been able to gather over 400 watch hours as a small YouTuber, and I have been able to gather over 1,000 watch hours in 1 month, in less than 1 month. And I have not even used this strategy for up to 2 weeks, up to 1 week. I just started using it, and see how it has boosted my watch hours. I know that before 2 weeks, I'll be able to gather my watch hours. So how fast you gather your watch hours depends on how well you use this strategy. Now, you can get your watch hours in 3 days, you can get your watch hours in 1 week, in 2 weeks, or in 1 month, or even in 3 months, depending on how well you implement everything I'm about to share with you in this tutorial. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amugo's Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is the first time seeing me, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. So with all that being said, let us dive straight into this video. To go ahead and click the link I'm going to be pasting on the description box of this video. So it's going to bring you to this Creative Fuel site. So this is what the interface looks like. So it says tools for modern YouTube creators. So this site is just to modify your content and help you. Look at what it said. Creative Fuel helps you publish faster and with more confidence, seamlessly guiding you from inspiration to execution. I'm telling you, this is what these people will do for you. So you can install the free Chrome extension just like vidIQ, you know, or you can just sign up here. It is totally free. So you enter your name here. So then, yeah. Then, so when you are done with that, you click on I accept the terms and you sign up. Click on sign up. Okay. Continue. So when they will send you an email if you're registering for the first time. So here in your mail, you will click here to activate your account so that you can do all the necessary setup on your channel. Let's allow it to load. Success. Thank you for activating your account. So it says, welcome Grace. Let's get this party started. Enter your channel URL. I really want to use my channel for this. That's good. So you type on build profile, just allow it to load. See what it's doing. It's building your profile. So it brought out my name and it's scanning through my channel, everything on my channel, finding my niche. So just allow it to load 100%. You will see the magic now. Interesting. AI profile successfully created. So now let's go. So now that it has created your profile for you, so look at what Creative Fuel will do. Value prompts, topics, audience, then inspiration. Okay, these are data. This data will be used to ensure we tailor ideas and content for your specific audience. Okay, so why should someone watch your video, how will they benefit, edit below as specific. So just, you can edit it or you leave it like this, but they've already given me an option if I agree with it. Viewers benefit by learning step-by-step tutorials that help them grow a successful YouTube channel, monetize their content, and understand the intricacies of the YouTube algorithm. I love this, so I'll just click on continue. So now these are channel tags. Okay, these are channel tags options for me, so I'll just add it. Okay, creative first says yes. Okay, so I'll enter it. Okay, and then I will continue. So what is doing here now is building your profile. Okay, so you check through it, and then this is the third one, audience. Then you click on continue. So these are inspiration, like people that I draw inspiration from, content that big creators that create something that are in that content that are in my niche. Okay, so here we have Tech Tac MK, we have Justin Brown, Primal Video, we have Dan Mattel, we have vidIQ, we have TubeBuddy, and if I want to add any other creators channel, I can also add it here. Do you understand? So when you are done adding those channels, then you go ahead and you click on finish. So it says, congrats, you successfully set up your profile. Now let's generate some video ideas for your channel. Okay, then you click on let's go. So now you haven't added any ideas yet. You can add ideas by yourself, or you can just tell Creative World to generate new video ideas for you. So now you choose the kind of content you want. If you want viral template, that is the template of the video you want to create. If you want viral template, this one is you have to upgrade to the higher version to be able to use this one. Audience Insight, I've not searched, but let's try reimagine. Apply the concept of any successful video to your specific audience. This one, they can show you your videos, they will show you videos of other creators that are in your niche that are doing well. Okay, so these are the ones they showed me, my content. Then trending on YT, inspiration, Tech Mag, Justin Brown, Primal, vidIQ, and these people. I can just choose any of their video. So look at a content they are showing me. This is a content by Trade Technique, ad spend without. So look at all this content they are showing me here. If I want to recreate any of this content, all I have to do is just to click any of this content, and then they will recreate it for me. So you can see that some of my content is here. So let me just look for other ones that are similar to what we do, other content that are similar to my niche, because some of these contents. So let's try this how to use ChatGPT, because it was published 7th of September this month, and it already has 94k views. So we click on it now. So it's loading video. So what they are going to do is they are going to generate a video idea that is similar to this one, from topics to tags to descriptions to hashtags to everything. So all you need to do is just to copy all these things that they've created for you, and then you impute it into your description, your tags, your hashtags, it will even give you thumbnail ideas. Okay, so you click on, once it opens like this, you click on generate ideas. So it will generate everything. So all you need to just do, record yourself, record something that is related to this particular video that you want to recreate, and every other thing you need for this video to get views, give you watch hours, you will get them in this video. So it has opened. Look at the topic, the titles they gave us. So how to create viral content on YouTube is one. Okay, how to master YouTube algorithm, how to monetize YouTube, how to monetize your YouTube live streams, how to optimize video sale for YouTube success, how to stay updated with YouTube features. Okay, you can choose any of this one, but I think the first one, how to create viral content on YouTube, this one, let's click on it to generate idea for it. So if you click on this one now, you click on this one, so you click on plan this video. So once you click on plan this video, it will give you how to create viral content on YouTube. So now Creative Fuel is asking you, have you already written a full script for this video? If you have, you can leave it, or if you haven't, you can just click no, I have not. So it's saying help us understand the main concept you want to include in this video. If you have a concept, you can put. If you don't have, you can leave it like that. So would you like Creative Fuel to generate an outline or full script for this video? You go ahead and click outline and full script if that is what you want. Okay, so this is why this video is a copy and paste video. Scroll down and you click on generate video details, so you allow it to load. So everything you need for this video to get views will be given to you on this next interface, this next page you're going to. So now it is done creating everything. So all you just need is to come here and just begin to copy. Okay, now the title of the video, how to create viral content, is showing you how it's going to look like on your channel, how to create viral content on YouTube. Then generate title concepts, that one is locked, is for. Then generate title concepts, we've already seen it here. So everything that you need, it has already created it. So anyone you want to do, like this interface we are right now is the interface for the thumbnail. So this up here now, you can click on if you click on the metadata, so it has opened. So look at all the tags for this video. This is all the tags for this video. Okay, this is all the tags. This is the description for the video. If you want to add chapters, this is the chapters for the video. And then watch next. See, it has already told me what my audience should watch first, and they even added the video, okay, my playlist, and then they even put subscribe icon. Everything I do on my channel, they've already put it here. Do you understand? So this is very, very powerful. Like if you're a very busy person, you can just try out this method. It will definitely work for you because it's blowing up small channels. Let me know if you're going to try this strategy out. Trust me, it's blowing up small channels. And if you have other methods you're using to grow your watch hours, let me know in the comment section. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.